that script writing and filmmaking is not about recreating or creating reality, but to create a better reality, a more interesting reality that will look and appear as if it is real life, that looks real, looks authentic when you read the script or watch the film. You are not copying reality. You are recreating reality even better than it is in the real world. And here's something else you need to remember. Real life is very boring. Real life really is not interesting. Things might happen and it's over in a minute. Or things might happen today and somewhere in the future, when everybody forgot about what has happened at that point in time, one of those people involved suddenly have a grievance again against that person they had back then. And then that story is also brought up again. The story everybody has forgotten about already. So can you say nothing interesting really happens in real life on a continuous basis? In your story, your plot, even a story, your film, things have to happen in such a way that it can draw your attention or the viewer's attention throughout the entire screening of the film, or keep the script reader's attention from the first page to the last page. And that is what makes script writing and filmmaking so difficult.